I think last night was definitely a test for us. The temperature dropped down to 2 degrees. I don't know if it was the same all over the country, but when I came into this room early this morning, it was very cold. And of course that's going to have an effect on us plants. So I'm going to pop out this morning and have a quick look round to see if there's any more damage. Because it doesn't take much at this time of the year to knock your plants back. And I think I want to empty that carrot container as well. It's only a small 10 litre pot and we're probably not going to get very big carrots out on it. But since winter's only around the corner, we might as well get ourselves a nice selection of baby carrots for those stews that we know are on way soon. We've already got 3 big bags of carrots in that freezer that we've blanched and froze over the last couple of months, and we've got 2 more containers on go outside, so hopefully we can top them up and get ready for winter. I had to put a lot of plants in between planters again because we had 40-mile-an-hour winds and they went on for quite a while. So things like this basket of fire chili plant are wedged in between just to stop them getting blown over. But this last tomato plant got blown over, although it didn't really damage it. But I'm very surprised that these peppers have managed a combination of that high wind and a 2-degree temperature. I would have thought I'd have finished these pepper plants off, but they're still looking perfectly fine. And these ones on this basket of fire are now starting to turn orange, if you can see that. You get all different colours, and that's the one I'm going to be overwintering. And even though we had those 40-mile-an-hour winds, this green stalk vertical planter held its own, which is great news. Last thing I want is that getting blown over. These dwarf French beans look a little limp, but they've not died and the foliage has not started to darken. Obviously his lettuces are alright. They're very cold hardy anyway. This one did take a bit of a battering. Hopefully that'll pull through. But once again, his peppers are alright. Slight bit of damage to that one there, so best to take that one off. Again, a very good sized pepper for nearly end of September. These ones are a brilliant size. I showed them you last time, but I'm just surprised at how big that they've got, considering they're not even in a greenhouse. But thankfully, that drop in temperature has not damaged these plants. And the celery is still looking okay. And so are those spring cabbages. I'm just keeping my eye out for that cabbage white. I think in this area they might have gone by now. But if I do see any, I'll just throw a bit of netting over the top. This is that carrot planter I was talking about. It's only a very small container, so I'm going to empty it and see if we get anything worthwhile out of it. At this time of year, baby carrots will do me. I think what we'll do is what we did with potatoes. I'm just going to tip the whole thing out and hopefully we've got something. And again, these are those round carrots if anybody wants to try them. So let's just tip it out and have a look. Well, to be honest with you, considering the size of this container, just 10 litres. Look at the size of that carrot. I'm well impressed with that. Hopefully we've got a few more. We've definitely got another one there. Absolutely amazing. If we only get a few like that, it's been well worth doing. I wasn't expecting a lot from this anyway, but I'm already very pleased with results I've got. I'm definitely doing some more of these carrots next year. And there's another nice little bunch. Brilliant. We're not done yet though. I'm well impressed with these carrots this year. I was basically expecting carrots this size from such a small container, but we got so much better. There's another one just there. And a nice big clump here as well. That one is also an amazing carrot. I didn't expect this many at all. I think that might be it. But what an amazing result. And I'm keeping this compost. I'm going to add a bit of fish blood and bone to it, and then we'll set another one going. Just take out any roots like that. What an amazing result that were. Very tiny container with a little bit of compost in it, and we've got all those carrots. It just shows you that it doesn't matter how small the container is, you can still get a really good harvest. And we've had about 4 lots like that through this season, and twice as many from 1 containers. So we've already set ourselves up ready for autumn and winter with some fresh homegrown carrots to blanch and freeze ready for those stews. I've noticed we've got some more ripe tomatoes to take, which is amazing. So let's get them off while we're at it. A nice little handful of good sized tomatoes to add to today's harvest. So definitely worth having a try at those if you've not tried them before, because so far I think these have done better than pretty much every other variety I've grown in past, except Resistorfly. They're also very good, but they're long tap roots. But I'll take the round ones at that size any day. So another successful harvest, and hopefully a few more to come yet. And if you want to see what they might be, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you next time. Take care and enjoy your weekend.